Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy G. This video right here will be walking you through the wiring process of the Atto turning signal adapters. One thing I hate to do is electrical wiring stuff on the bike, so I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one out there, but it's actually very simple with these Kellermann LED bulbs together with the Atto rear turning signal adapters from Kuryakyn. There is a lot of people out there that ask me, hey, how come this light is not plug and play at that price, etc. Well, the reason is because the LED bulbs are universal. I'm going to show you in this video how to exactly connect the LED bulbs to your current stock harness and actually convert it into plug and play so you can take the lights on and off as much as you want to. Here's just a tip how I did it. I took my existing turning signal, I cut off the harness. That's this guy right here. Took the harness and I basically made the LED plug and play. Alright guys, as you can see, I have reused the existing harness from the existing stock LED bulbs. Don't cut it right by the harness, you want to leave a little bit of wire for yourselves to play around with. Then you're gonna grab one of the heat shrinks. You will slide that through the gray and red and gray and white wire over. Leave it over there. Then you're gonna take the end of the two wires and you're gonna rotate them together like that. Then you want to grab your crimping adapter that came in the box. You're gonna slide it over as well. Then you are going to take the other side and connect them both together, rotate them around. Then you are going to take your crimping tool and slide it back over here, and then you are going to crimp both of the wires together. Once you have connected both of the wires together with your crimping tool, you will slide your heat shrink over. Okay, and you're gonna take a lighter or a torch or whatever you feel like using in order to heat shrink the tube. Next step, you are going to take the black wire and connect it with the black side of the harness. Okay, you're gonna do the same steps. The heat shrink you're gonna put in first, and then the tool, you'll connect both together like that. You will put the crimping adapter back on there, crimp it, and then slide your heat shrink over. And then you are going to heat shrink it, and there you go. Now you got a plug and play wire. Once you finish that process, you will take your harness, grab the stock harness and connect them both together. Just like that. And this is all the installation. Just for the people who are wondering if you have to do anything with your license plate light, no you don't. You just leave it the way it is and you reconnect it back to your stock harness. Alright guys, repeat all the steps on the other side of the LED bulb, and once that's done, go ahead and check if your lights are working. Alright guys, this was it. This was the installation of the Kuryakyn Atto turning signal adapters with the Kellermann Moto LED bulbs. If you have any more questions, comment below. I'm happy to walk you through this. Other than that, ride safe and don't forget, don't fucking die.